ghost. Ooh. Boo! Boo!
Boo!
Happy Halloween, everyone! This is Jukie Davie Crafts, where we're going to be doing a fun Halloween craft together. Who here likes ghosts? Well, I like ghosts. So we're going to be doing a foot painting ghost craft, where, you guessed it, we're going to be using our feet. Footsie, footsie, footsie. So, for this craft, you will need some black paper. You can use other colors too, but I think the white ghost footprint will look the best on black paper. But to each their own. Some black paint, some white paint, a paper plate, a paintbrush, some glue, and, you guessed it, googly eyes. I have been on a googly-eyed frenzy lately. I mean, but how can you not like googly eyes? I mean, look at this. It's quite wonderful, if you ask me. You can get all of these supplies at your local superstores, craft stores, online, probably other places too, but all right, my little ghouls, let's get started.
It's time to tell a tale with Jukie Davie. Jukie Davie!
Alrighty, here's what we're gonna do. We are going to put our paper on the floor, like so. And on our paper plate, we're gonna put some white paint on our paper plate. Like this. Come on, out you go, out you go, out you go, out you go. So slow. Alright, paint. Time to meet your doom. There we go. Yeah. You want enough paint on your paper plate to cover the entire bottom of your foot. So, use your best judgment. You can always add more paint later if you need more paint. It kind of looks like sour cream. But don't eat it. Don't eat the paint. No paint eaters, okay? No paint eaters. And so now we are going to put it on the floor. And now we are going to use our trusty little feet hooves, and we're going to put our foot onto the paper plate, move it around in the paint, get it all nice and painty. The bottom of your foot, make sure you get the entire bottom of your foot all nice and painty. And then you are going to place your foot gently onto your paper. Press just a little bit. Make sure you get all of your little pinky toes in there. And then you are going to gently lift off your foot and reveal a beautiful foot ghost onto your paper. Like this. And now we're gonna go ahead and wait for that to dry. All right, I think it's dry enough, at least, for the next steps. Oh, also, it should look something like this. But we're actually gonna turn it upside down to make it look a little bit more like a ghost. Ooh. And now we have to put a face on the ghost. So go ahead and get your googly eyes. And get 2 googly eyes. A 1 and a 2, 1. Oh, a 1 and a 2, 1. And we're going to glue our googly eyes onto our ghost, like this. So now our ghost has little googly eyes. So now that the ghost has eyes, now we have to put the ghost mouth using our black paint and paintbrush. And you can put whatever kind of ghost mouth you like. You can put a happy face. You can do a mad face, a sad face. You can even put like eyebrows on it too. Actually, you know what? With this paint and this paintbrush, you can probably do whatever kind of ghost face you want. Woo! Creative freedom, so spooky. But for today, I think I'm just gonna do like a little happy face. And you know what? Just for the fun of it, I'm going to put some dimples on my ghost. Because I have dimples, see? You see them? This one's bigger. So it'll kind of look like me a little bit, like if I was a ghost. It's kind of a creepy thought. For my dimples, I think I'm going to use the other side of my paintbrush, just so I can get a nice little dot. And now, to finish off our ghost masterpiece, we are going to take our white paint again and either clean your paintbrush or you can get another paintbrush, whatever you want to do. I just got another paintbrush. And we are going to spell the word boo. You know, like how ghosts say boo, 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 as one does. Does anyone out there know how to spell the word boo? Well, if you don't know, this is how we spell the word boo. B O, and another O. 2 O's, double O, if you will. And just for the fun of it, let's put an exclamation mark. You know, because we're like, boo, like scary, like boo. And believe it or not, we are all done with our spooky foot ghost. Foot ghost. Foot, not foot, foot. Foot ghost. Ooh. Boo. 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 Do you like it? Spooky foot ghost. Spooky foot ghost. It's kind of cute. I like it. I hope you all had so much fun making this spooky foot ghost with me today. I really like it because you get to be all mushy and messy and squishy and gooey ooey with your foot in the paint. You can be a little messy. I think that's so much fun. It's definitely not a bad thing to get messy every once in a while. Just make sure you have like towels and whatnot so you don't get paint all over your house. And I would love to see your foot ghosts at home. If you did this craft with me, I would love to see it. You can send me your pictures on my other social media platforms. The links are in my description below. And you can also send it to me at my email at jukiedavie@gmail.com. And thank you all so much for joining me at Jukie Davie Crafts. And I wish you a very happy Halloween back at home. Have lots of fun and be safe. It's very important. And, but of course, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any great craft videos or read-alouds or other great fun stuff. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye, everyone. Actually, it's kind of scary. It's the googly eyes. The googly eyes make it kind of creepy. Gooey, ooey, icky, squishy. Gooey, ooh, icky, squishy. Gooey, ooey, look.